I'm Barry Gribben. I'm on the board of directors of Heal the Bay. I want to thank Latitude33 for throwing this event today to benefit Heal the Bay. Part of our efforts today is Coastal Cleanup Day, which is a global event. After spending the whole morning out on the beach cleaning it up.
It says the beach is back, everybody's been out there cleaning up today, and now they're having fun. Meeting each other, eating gourmet food. This particular event here is awesome because the cooperation between Latitude 33. It's a new development, it's a beautiful new development, and the community is just enhancing everybody's joy of the day. Since this is tied with Heal the Bay and cleaning things up, it even has a better overall purpose.
We want to thank Latitude33 for putting on this great event. This looks like we got a good new neighbor here in Marina del Rey with Latitude33.